Whoa, you can go backwards too. There you go. Gotta work on steering, huh? Okay, now come forward. Use the pedals. Turn, turn, turn. You gotta work on steering, huh? You're gonna hit the pole next to you. Good job. Turn, turn, turn. Good job. Okay, put your feet on the pedals. You gotta put your feet on the pedals and be able to turn. Crash. Oh, popping flowers.
What?
She stopped to pop the flowers.